Okay, first food challenge. We just finished our exams today. We're trying to recreate the Shadrack's Rad Shaddy with strawberry and white chocolate. This is the first mixture. It has LaCroix, white chocolate, strawberry syrup. The problem is both the drinks we've tried are lime and lemon flavored, which is messing it a little bit, but we're getting somewhere.
The Sprite is better than the LaCroix for sure. There's too much Sprite in there right now.
Our prediction is that the Rad Shaddy has like shit at the bottom, so that's why we think they're using sauce, not. I just only take Sprite.
I just added
Sprite is just like okay. I want to try this. It's raspberry lemon. It tastes like the Rad Shaddies, but it might taste good. You have some scissors. Almost took off my finger.
Oh my god. Well,
I'm a genius. And I'm I forgot I don't like lemonade.
Oh my god. Well,
I've been drinking my lemon water sometimes. It's good. Okay, wait. I'm gonna try white chocolate. I'm gonna do my sweaty.
yeah, I feel like, do they always look this foamy? I can't remember.
No.
Yeah.
Try that.
Oh.
I think it's like a powder. Or I don't think they use a powder, but I think the closest we're gonna get is like a powder. That's not bad. That's the raspberry lemon white chocolate, and it has Sprite and LaCroix in it.
Mine is just Sprite and the strawberry and this cream. And I think it's pretty good.
Does it taste like it?
I don't know. I've had it so much now that I'm not sure.
I just don't. Oh wait, it's definitely closer. That sounds good. I'm doing the white chocolate.
Chocolate. We're getting there. We're making moves. I'm getting somewhere.
You're getting somewhere. Wait. Wait. That was our first food challenge. I think we won. I think Julie won that round. I don't know. You taste it and tell me.
What?
Who won? Let us know. Comment down below who won. Let us know who won. Oh wait, let's try adding the strawberry. You could be the king. Tastes closer, but not quite. Okay, that's it.
Like and comment and subscribe.
Ah.